Hi friends, welcome to my channel friends. Today I've come with a new questions. See here the question. So friend, here BT and CD is equal. See here this portion BT and this portion is equal. So what will be the value of BT? Then the value of CD will be the same. So the value of BT is 7 centimeter. In the same way, the value of CD will be 7 centimeter. So see here friends, here dt is 21 centimeter and what will be the value of AB? So friends, see here the trick in which way these questions can be solved. So here we should have to find out the value of AB. So the trick will be, so the trick is AT into BT equal to dt into ct. So friend, here, see here we should put the value. So AT into BT. So AT into the value of BT is 7 equal to the value of DT is 21 and the value of CT is 28. See our friend, CT. So DT is 21 centimeter and so CD is 7 centimeter. That is why here we should have to add here. So that is why the value will be 28 centimeter. So AT equal to 21 into 28 by 7. So AT equal to 84 centimeter. So friends, here we should have to find out AB. So that is why we should write here AT minus BT. So friend, to find out the value of AB, here we should write like that. AB equal to AT minus BT. So friend, here the value of AT is 84 and value of BT is 7. So here we should have to put the value to find the value of AB. So AB equal to, see here friend, 84 minus 7. AB equal to 77 centimeter. So AB is 77 centimeter. So the answer will be 77 centimeter. Thank you friends to watch this video. Please subscribe the channel for next video.